There's a message drifting in the air. If you listen, you will notice music.
Not the best of days, is it? One thing, well, little tips and tricks we're going to start doing now with the channel on your park homes or your vans or your lodges. So one tip I will give you, which has worked out really well for me and other people, is having your windows tinted. It doesn't just keep the heat in winter and the heat out in summer, but gives you a bit of privacy as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how much it gives your van that little bit more of a styling and a bit more, makes it look nicer. Now that basically has just had all his windows tinted and it's transformed that. Unbelievable. It just looks totally different. You can't see in it. It keeps the heat in winter and the heat out in summer, and that has just totally transformed that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me just go and show you another one now. As you all know, obviously, watching the channel and watching us from the beginning, those who's watched us from the beginning know that that was my main thing I wanted done from day one of buying the van, to give us that little bit of privacy, and we're benefiting off keeping that heat in winter and heat out summer. So yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. So I'm just going to show you another one that's had it done. There's a few that's had it done, but obviously I've just asked permission for that one. Can I have it done? Can I do a video on it? And they said yeah. Why, it's me. And then obviously we've done ours as well, which like I said to Just, we wanted it done from day one, and then it does give you a good look of what it's like from the outside. Just makes it look totally different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one that was done before ours was done, what it does look like. That's ours, and that's before. So if you've got any tips on what you've done to your van, or what you think has benefited your van or your lodge, park home, caravan, static, whatever you call it, because I've had that many people say to me, it's a lodge, it's a caravan, it's a static, it's this, it's that. So if you've got any tips and tricks on yours, I mean, like I said, I did the one with the furry in the bucket to wash these all down, and that was quite a good tip what somebody gave me, and that was off a window cleaner for my plastics. And like I said, with them blinds what we've had put on, that's another good thing as well. Privacy blinds, I call them, for pulling out. It all helps, doesn't it? So yeah, these little solar powered lights at night time, they're absolutely brilliant. So when you're walking down, you go into the shed or whatever, they light up. The cameras are just me. I just like the cameras up. And if you're having these lights on your decking, go for the Edison bulb. Because you know who Thomas Edison was, don't you? He invented the light bulb. But that's it. Go for them Edison bulbs. Got little like wires inside you can see. Right, so you're going to have to excuse. It's not, the GoPro isn't very good with the night lights, but I'll just show you. That's what it looks like at night now, when it's all lit up. and you can't see anything really, can't see in. And I'm just going to show you around the side with the little lights at night, what light up. And over there as well. I've set it so when you walk near them, they light up like that. So it goes brighter. And like I say, these are the ones I was showing you at the beginning of the video. What it's like. Now this might flicker in a minute when I just tell Alexa to turn the garden lights on. Alexa, garden lights on. Okay. Oh, it's not. That's what it's like at night. And these little Edison bulbs, like I was showing you before, but you can see what it's like at night time now. Like I said, I've put them on the shed as well. And then obviously the ring alarm box powered up, the sign lit up. Alexa, garden lights off. Okay. So at least you can see what they do look like at night, and it's well worth having them. I mean, like I said, coming nearer, they all start lighting up again. And the tints, you can see in a little bit. Well, you can't really, but I just could show you. Like I say, I love my little gadgets, so like I say. So that's the tip. So if you've got any tips, and obviously I can share on the channel, put them in a comment below, and let's see if we can do a video on them for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon on the next one. Don't forget, check them other videos out about buying a park home, should you buy one. There's quite a few videos on there regarding the vans, the lodges, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.